I'm Duff, live in the middle of nowhere, and today I have an old single shot. This is a Harrison Richardson Arms Company, and it's the model, I don't really know what fucking model this is, but I just know that it's a February 20th and 27th patent of 1900, and it has a reinforced breech, okay, and it's spelt wrong back then. I mapped out, based on the serial number, because I have an alpha, that this is a 1940 model. The reason why I even have this, it's just a cheap $100 gun, is that it has a really long barrel. That's a 36-inch barrel. The longest I've seen for most other guns are like around 32 at the max. But it has this, I don't know if this is different from any, because I've never seen any other pictures of this gun with this little notch cut in. So what that is, I'll zoom in a bit. Yes, you're technically here. So, and I'll bring it up here. See, it's got a really weird edge to it. So it's clean flush and it's on both sides. So there. Some dumbass put tape on there and I already removed the tape. This is actually a really hard breech to get open. I just don't want to break something because I have the glass down. So I'll get it open and do what I gotta do. So I don't know if you can see really in there. So it's, yeah, I only have so much spacing because I'm got this camera mounted to the lamp. Yes, it's on a lamp. If you look at the very down at the bottom right here, that's the bottom of the lamp. It is connected to the lamp. But there's pitting in there. It's not really a good barrel or anything, but you have to literally just push as fucking hard as you can and then it goes. So if you were to try it, see, it doesn't want it open. Like, yeah, you have to really refine it. But I'll just, as any other brake action, comes apart really easily. There we go. And there we go. It is a matching barrel. So there's serial number on it. And then there's serial number down the butt. Or, sorry, on the receiver. Now, this one has a different one. So it does, I don't know if that is what it is. So it is an alpha, but it's a 2-something-6. See, I do have a 264 on the back of these. That's the last half, but there's no 3.9. So I'm going to take this apart, do what I got to do, clean it up, and I'm going to then check to see if this stock has it in on this. It has a marking of the buttstock, so the H&R, the Arms Company, and like all shotguns or long guns, you're always going to have a screw back here. This one just happens to be in a slot screw, not a flathead. It's not called a flathead. Sure, that's a flathead, but it's called a slot. Technical terms. Sure, I call it a flathead now and then when I just don't care, but really think about it. Slot. That's what it is. And that tape goo stuff is so nasty. It was, think about it like really narrow hockey tape. That's pretty much what it was. And my hand is all over it right now. There we go. And that's what happens when people put fucking tape on a gun. Like, that's this shit. Simple trigger mechanism. Put this down. Long ass bolt. There. Just move that out of the way. Alright, so. There could be something that's just stopping it from binding. Hammer goes down. See, now it has a safety thing. So you can't push this and hit it. See, when I go up, it won't hit it all the way. But if I push the trigger, little dirt. See? Good old safeties back in the day. Alright, I'm going to get this as much as possible. I'm not going to probably pull at these at all. I just want to get inside there where I need to. This has got a bunch of gunk. Like I could do a small scraping of this. Like it does have crap in there. I want it clean enough to say. And maybe I might have to do a little bit on here. I'll check to see if this one here is just, it's not releasing it. It's binding, whatever. Or to see if this here has got an issue. So I've taken it apart. It's simple. It's, yeah, it was literally screwed in. But this is what's inside there, and that's what holds the lock piece. Like it's got some crud in it. I'm not gonna do what I did to the double barrel and like do a full wash. I'm literally gonna take a toothbrush and soap and water for this little bit. I don't want to dull this out. I'm gonna try to leave this as much as possible. And I do remember seeing somebody saying that the part, or it's not a topper, okay? It's got to be a partner, but I have no idea. It is a 12 gauge with a choke. I don't know what choke. It looks like a full bore to me. Or full choke. I don't know. It's it's not choking shit. But there's a lot of damage on the bottom side of the barrel right here. Actually, all around, if you look at it, it's like somebody just messed up, and then they messed with the original brass bead. Yeah, I can get it out, but it's one of those. I'm not gonna probably ever shoot this because it's because it's a long gun, and I like long barrels because customizing. So I have this. This is a setup, like this is supposed to be one way, and then you have this. Well, this barrel is so long that it doesn't fit. You need an extra piece to pull it through. Now that she's all clean, I can see, like it's a lot better without that ugly tape, and it's not nasty. Oh, like I'm not gonna get nasty crap like that on my hand from using this. But because I'm left-handed, that's the joy, is I could just hold this up here. The joy is using right-handed crack barrel as a lefty. Makes it so much easier. Put it in. Done. And that's it. That is my 1940, I would say, partner single shot Harrison and Richardson with a reinforced barrel, or breech, sorry, reinforced breech, with their kind of spelling kind of messed up with it. It has a double E because that's supposed to be an I, and there's no hyphen. So, you know. I guess, well, I don't know. Could that be in that it's in the wrong era? Or just somebody didn't know how to spell at the time? That's okay. But I'm Duff. I hope you like that. It's a little damage, but you know what? If it's not good for using as a shooting, it's good for up on the wall. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. And like always, have a good one.